The Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop, Model 1940A, is a versatile and efficient solution for maintaining the cleanliness and sanitation of various floor types. This steam mop utilizes natural sanitization through steam, effectively eliminating up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria without the need for harsh chemicals. Equipped with a flip-down easy scrubber, it can tackle tough, sticky messes with ease, making it an excellent choice for tile, hardwood, and other sealed hard floors. The 1940A's adjustable steam settings allow for customized cleaning intensity, ensuring gentle care for delicate surfaces and robust cleaning power for more stubborn dirt. For optimal customer satisfaction, it's important to follow a few key guidelines when using steam mops for floor cleaning. First, always vacuum or sweep the floor before using the steam mop to remove loose debris that could interfere with the cleaning process. Fill the water tank with distilled or demineralized water to prevent mineral buildup and extend the lifespan of the mop. Select the appropriate steam level for your floor type, starting with the lowest setting and increasing as needed. Regularly wash or replace the microfiber pads to maintain their effectiveness. By following these steps, users can ensure their Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop delivers consistently high performance and keeps their floors looking pristine. The Steam Mop 10-in-1 multipurpose handheld steam cleaner offers a comprehensive solution for homeowners seeking an all-in-one device for floor cleaning and beyond. This versatile steam mop is designed for use on hardwood, tile, and laminate floors, and it comes with a detachable handheld steamer for tackling various surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with 11 different accessories, it can effortlessly switch between cleaning tasks, making it ideal for whole home use. From sanitizing floors and refreshing carpets to cleaning grout, windows, and upholstery, this steam mop provides a chemical-free method to eliminate dirt and bacteria. To ensure optimal customer satisfaction with steam mops for floor cleaning, it's essential to follow a few practical tips. Before using the steam mop, vacuum or sweep the floors to remove any loose debris that could interfere with the cleaning process. Fill the water tank with distilled or demineralized water to prevent mineral buildup and extend the appliance's lifespan. Attach the appropriate accessory for the task at hand, ensuring a secure fit for effective cleaning. Adjust the steam level based on the surface being cleaned, starting with the lowest setting and increasing as needed for tougher jobs. Regularly clean and replace the microfiber pads to maintain their efficiency and ensure hygienic results. By adhering to these guidelines, users can maximize the performance and longevity of their Steam Mop 10-in-1 multipurpose handheld steam cleaner, keeping their home spotless and germ-free. The Steam 10-in-1 Steam Mop is a top-tier floor cleaning solution designed to simplify and enhance home cleaning routines. This steam mop features a detachable handheld steam cleaner, making it incredibly versatile and suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks. It is engineered to work efficiently on tile, hardwood, and other sealed hard floors, offering deep cleaning and sanitization without the use of harsh chemicals. The Steam 10-in-1 steam mop comes with multiple accessories, enabling users to clean not only floors but also carpets, windows, mirrors, and even garments, making it an all-in-one cleaning powerhouse. To ensure optimal performance and customer satisfaction when using steam mops for floor cleaning, it is important to follow a few key guidelines. Start by vacuuming or sweeping the floor to remove loose dirt and debris, which can interfere with the steam cleaning process. Use distilled or demineralized water to fill the water tank, preventing mineral buildup and prolonging the life of the steam mop. Select the appropriate steam setting based on the type of floor being cleaned, starting with the lowest setting and adjusting as necessary for tougher stains. Attach the suitable accessory for the task, ensuring it is securely in place. Regularly wash or replace the microfiber pads to maintain their cleaning efficiency and hygiene. By adhering to these best practices, users can ensure that their Steam 10-in-1 steam mop provides exceptional cleaning performance. The Bissell SpinWave Smart Steam Scrubbing Steam Mop is an advanced cleaning tool designed to provide a powerful and efficient floor cleaning experience. Featuring innovative rotating mop pads, this steam mop effortlessly scrubs and sanitizes hard floors, including tile, hardwood, and laminate. The combination of steam and rotating pads ensures deep cleaning and removal of stubborn dirt and grime without the need for harsh chemicals. The Smart Steam technology allows for adjustable steam settings, providing the right amount of steam for various floor types and cleaning needs. This steam mop is perfect for those who seek an effective and easy-to-use solution for maintaining clean and sanitized floors. To achieve the best results and ensure customer satisfaction with steam mops for floor cleaning, it is essential to follow a few simple guidelines. Begin by vacuuming or sweeping the floor to remove loose debris that could hinder the cleaning process. Fill the water tank with distilled or demineralized water to prevent mineral buildup and extend the mop's lifespan. Adjust the steam settings according to the floor type, starting with the lowest setting for delicate surfaces and increasing as needed for tougher messes. Attach the rotating mop pads securely and ensure they are clean for optimal performance. Regularly wash or replace the mop pads to maintain their effectiveness and hygiene. By following these tips, users can maximize the cleaning power of the Bissell SpinWave Smart Steam Scrubbing Steam Mop, ensuring their floors remain spotless and sanitized with minimal. The Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro Smart Cordless Floor Cleaner is an innovative and versatile solution for maintaining pristine hard floors. This wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop combo offers powerful cleaning performance, making it ideal for tackling sticky messes and pet hair with ease. Featuring a long run time, it ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions, perfect for large areas. One of its standout features is the centrifugal drying process, which helps to dry floors quickly and efficiently, leaving no streaks or watermarks behind. This smart floor cleaner is equipped with intelligent technology that detects and adjusts to different types of messes, ensuring optimal cleaning results every time. To ensure customer satisfaction and maximize the effectiveness of steam mops for floor cleaning, it is important to follow some essential guidelines. Before using the Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro, vacuum or sweep the floor to remove any loose debris. This step prevents clogs and enhances the efficiency of the wet-dry vacuum function. For best results, use the appropriate cleaning solution recommended by the manufacturer, and fill the water tank as directed. Regularly clean the brush roller and filter to maintain optimal performance and prevent blockages. Adjust the settings according to the type of floor and mess being cleaned, ensuring the right balance of suction and water flow. After each use, empty the dirty water tank and clean the components thoroughly to prevent odors and maintain hygiene. By adhering to these best practices, users can ensure their Tineco Floor 1 S7 Pro Smart Cordless Floor Cleaner delivers exceptional cleaning performance, keeping their hard floor spotless and free of sticky messes and pet hair. This comprehensive approach to floor care ensures a satisfying cleaning experience and long-lasting results.